Have you ever wondered why some folks seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle just to make ends meet? It's not about luck or some secret formula. The real magic is in the way they think. Their mindset. Imagine this. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey to uncover 8 magical keys that can unlock financial success for anyone. Each of these keys represents a mindset shift that can pave your path to prosperity. Let's explore these keys together. Key 1. The joy of learning. Let's start with something we all love. Learning. Think of knowledge as treasure and every nugget of wisdom as a golden coin. Wealthy individuals get this. They understand that learning isn't confined to the classroom. It's a lifelong adventure. They read, absorb, and explore ideas about money, personal growth, and skills that can make their lives better. On the other side, some folks see learning as a chore, something you only do in school. They're missing out on the goldmine of wisdom waiting in books, courses, and life experiences. Embracing the joy of learning can be your first step towards a richer life. Key 2. Cherishing your time. Imagine your time as your most precious jewel. The wealthy treat their time like a priceless gem. They don't waste it trading hours for a meager paycheck. Instead, they look for ways to create value, which leads to bigger rewards. But many of us end up trading our time for a meager wage, stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. We don't realize that time once spent can never be recovered. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Use it to create value, not just to pay the bills. Key 3. Shaping your reality. Now let's talk about the magic of belief. Your thoughts are like a magic wand shaping the world around you. Wealthy individuals firmly believe that they are the architects of their lives. They navigate their financial journeys with unshakable optimism. On the flip side, some people feel like life just happens to them, like they're floating in a boat without a paddle. But here's the secret. When you change your thoughts, you change your reality. So start believing that you can create the financial future you desire. Key 4. Playing to win. Think of life as a game of money. Wealthy players aim high, shooting for massive wealth and abundance. They play to win. They're not content with just paying bills on time. They want financial freedom. On the other hand, some folks play it safe, always worried about making ends meet. They aim low. And guess what? They hit low. Dare to dream big and play to win. Key 5. Embracing challenges. Life is an adventure, and adventures come with challenges. The wealthy understand this, and they welcome challenges with open arms. They see obstacles as stepping stones to success. Now picture those who fear challenges, who back away when things get tough. They believe staying in their comfort zone will keep them safe, but they miss the thrill of the journey. To succeed, you must grow beyond your problems, not run from them. Key 6. The art of creating. Think of yourself as an artist and life as your canvas. The wealthy find joy in creating and producing. They're like painters, bringing their ideas to life and sharing them with the world. But some folks focus on consuming more than they create. They buy, spend, and seek instant gratification, often at the cost of their long-term financial well-being. Life is more fulfilling when you're the creator, not just a consumer. Key 7. Embracing risk. Imagine life as a thrilling roller coaster ride. The wealthy sit in the front row, ready for every twist and turn. They understand that calculated risks can lead to great rewards. They're not afraid of uncertainty. They embrace it. Now think of those who sit in the back, gripping the safety bar, avoiding every thrill. They fear the unknown, stick to the safe path, and miss out on the excitement of life. To succeed, you must be willing to take calculated risks, to venture beyond your comfort zone. Key 8. A positive mindset. Your mindset is like a magic mirror, reflecting the world back at you. The wealthy have a mirror that radiates positivity and optimism. They believe in their dreams, focus on possibilities, and attract success. But for some, their mirror reflects fear and negativity. They constantly worry about what might go wrong. They doubt themselves and their abilities. Remember, the energy you put into the world comes back to you. So choose positivity and watch your life transform. As we wrap up our friendly chat about these 8 magical keys, remember this: financial success is within your reach. It's not something reserved for a chosen few. All it takes is a shift in your mindset. A shift toward learning, valuing time, creating your reality. Playing to win, embracing challenges, enjoying the process of creation, embracing risks, and nurturing a positive outlook. Think of these keys as your tools for building a life of abundance and fulfillment. Each one is right there for you to grasp, waiting for you to unlock its potential. So are you ready to open the door to financial success? The choice is yours, and the adventure begins with a single step. Start today. Embrace these mindsets and watch as your life transforms into a masterpiece of wealth and prosperity. The journey might not always be easy, but it's undoubtedly worth it. You have the power to create your financial destiny, and these keys are your guide. So go ahead, open the door to a brighter, wealthier future, and let the magic of your mindset lead the way.